Hello everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. I am recovering from a procedure that I had done recently. To God be all the glory. I thank him for blessing. But I am going to show you all some old footage that's supposed to have been released back here of June of last year. And it was my annual pool update. We purchased a pool in 2020, and I've been giving yearly updates on the maintenance, the upkeep, and everything in a nutshell. So until I'm able to craft and do some more DIYs and such, I'll be releasing and sharing that video with you. So this video is from 2021. So everyone sit back and enjoy, and I'll catch you all when I upload another video. I love you all. Hello everybody, and welcome to summer 2021. This is our actual second year of doing our pool, and I want to share the updates. Right now, as you can see, we got everything hooked up. It is not completely filled yet. We had a late start on getting all that stuff done. I'm going to give you a few tips, some do's and some don'ts that you will want to consider before you take down your pool for the upcoming year. All right, everyone. This is how far we have actually gotten with the pool. The light marks that you see, it's just wear and tear in from the sun and adding chemicals. When you add certain chemicals to the pool, it'll kind of like take the color out of the flooring of the pool itself. But we pretty much got everything all together. We had to get inside and scrub. Well, my husband had to because I did not help. But we had to go and scrub the inside, my husband and the kids, of the pool. We still got a few little small spots, which we were unable to get it off anyway. We scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed, but it's pretty clean. It looks really, really good. We'll vacuum out the little pieces of grass and all of that and whatever else is actually left. So last year we had an issue with our water turning brown as we were filling the pool up with water. So we actually was able to purchase, so you can see what it looked like. It is a RV water filter where you can hook it up to your water hose, as you can see. And it filters out the water before it goes into the pool. So if there's any rust, anything like that in the water itself, it filters it out before it even gets into the pool. But the pool itself has held up really good throughout the summer. One tip that I can give to you is to not drain all your water out of the pool. We actually drained all our water out of the pool last year, and we thought that that was an actual good idea, and it was not a good idea. We actually had an incident that happened that the high winds one day, it wasn't even a storm, we just had high winds, the pool got picked up and it got blown on top of our kids' playhouse, as you can see right there. So imagine a pool this big being blown on top of a playhouse. So that's why you see like this little wear and tear spot right here. That comes from it being flipped over, because we were kind of undecided on what to do and how to do it, because we had never had a pool before. So we pretty much just said, yes, drain the water out and then we'll keep it empty for the upcoming season. Bad idea. It's best to keep the water inside your pool and just treat the water when it's time for the upcoming season. Because you could pretty much just treat the water, go in, you can vacuum out all leaves, you can scoop out all debris, anything that's in there, you can just treat it. So this year we're refilling the pool with water, and we're gonna leave it this year. And as you can see, our tarp has kind of like dry rotted, which we're getting ready to start cutting that away. But our sand pump is still holding up well. It looks really, really good. My husband just hooked it back up. And we have the Sand Pro 50, and it works great for pools this size. And our actual pool ladder is still holding up. I'm giving you an overview of everything that I showed you last year. It's still in good condition. Everything is great. No problems at all. No problems at all. Still in good condition. Still looks good. That's my only advice to you. So with that being said, since we had to actually replace a few pieces on the pool because of emptying the water out. So because we actually emptied all the water out of our pool, once we had that high wind issue where the pool was lifted up and thrown onto our kids' playhouse right here, straight ahead, we had to order 2 pool legs. So my husband went on eBay and he had to order 2 of these off of eBay, and we got to get that put away. But he had to order 2 of those off of eBay, and he had to replace 2 legs. So advice: do not drain your pool. Yes, do not drain your pool. We are first-time pool buyers, and we had no idea on what to do and how to do it. So we pretty much just guessed through the whole thing and went on about what we thought. So this year, the water that you see right now will be in our pool for the upcoming season. We're just gonna treat it, take all debris, leaves, vacuum, clean around the edges and all of that good stuff before the kids get back into it. But other than that, everything looks good. Everything looks good. And once the pool get filled up, I'll be back with more updates once we get our skimmer on, once we start treating the pool itself, and once we start adding chemicals. All right, everybody, the pool is completely filled and we're getting ready to put up the skimmer. As you can see, put water on me. As you can see, the skimmer is hooked up, but it has to be covered in water. So we are actually adding more water to the pool so that the skimmer can be covered. Let me see what you're doing right here.
Just tighten this up.
We're using our same skimmer from last year. We have not treated the pool just yet. We're still trying to get our skimmer situated and down, and we're also adding more water to the pool itself. We have to put alkalinity in, our pool stabilizer, and the pH also has to go into the pool today. And we got to do the chlorine tabs. Our chlorine tab floater got messed up from last year, so we will have to purchase a new one.
Mama, be cornflake with potato. Let's do it again.
I pray that everyone enjoyed today's upload. we had fun recording it for everyone. I pray that it was also informative, that any questions that were asked throughout the last 2 years were answered with upkeep and different things that go on with keeping up a in-ground pool. I get a lot of messages. I get a lot of comments about certain questions about how do you keep the water? How do you do this? How do you do that? And I try my best to pack as many answers into one video as possible. I'll also be uploading another video soon, probably the next, I'm going to say, I'm not going to make any promises, month or two. Hopefully the Lord's will, with updates for 2022. So make sure you share my video, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you all in my next video.